She's lovely.
On this video tonight.
Pulling it all. Stops and shit. She really is.
Let's do some blue bridges. Activation.
Oh my god, Rich.
We are back in the studio, the office, shall we call it?
We're back.
How are you?
I'm good. I can't believe we haven't been cancelled already.
We're flying.
No, we're flying.
Honestly,
I might just pack in football now.
I know some of you are thinking, you've got a game, you shouldn't be doing that. You're right. But apparently it's good to go in it for just like 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. And yeah, and I just feel good after that. I had a wee nap there and I was feeling a wee bit tired, a bit sluggish. So I thought, in we get and, you know, wake me up, get the good endorphins ready for tonight.
Get that then!
Away days to Lewes
Why couldn't I get it?
with all the wrong yins. Look at baby girl, baby girl's change. She's got it. It might be in the background. Baby girl's got new nails, new lashes, new brows, new hair, new pubes.
Maybe I've got a new man.
A new
What
what?
did she say?
Track something like that.
What did you just say?
I'm sorry.
Okay, take that back. Take that back. There you go.
Did you just say no?
Well
That
done.
was fantastic.
Right, Constance, I'm coming for you.
A red one. Oh, throw it.
Are you throwing at me?
Yeah.
Red one.
Red.
Time.
Red.
Five.
Irish, not straight. Okay.
No, you just got underarm.
Yeah, I think
Hold
underarm. Sorry.
That was terrible. Right,
Lower.
So did it.
Yeah.
I can't underarm it. Hold
Right,
this.
I'll do
You
it.
throw.
Yeah, then
Right,
go
you
again.
go.
There's too much on her mind.
Flight time. Oh, sorry.
Nah.
Go again.
Flight time.
Sorry, I'm laughing too much. Go again.
You sounded so grummy then.
Okay. Sorry. Go again.
Did it remind you of someone?
Oh.
Cut.
Oh.
It was a
Oh.
question.
Don't you got that?
Could have been anything.
The flash isn't on this time. Is that okay?
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh!
Your reaction.
By the way,
Right, Lois's time. Lois's turn.
She said she's good at this, by the way.
She is good at this.
Well done.
Oh. Go.
Yeah, keep your eye on the button.
Keep your eye on it.
I'm really looking.
Well done.
Right, Grace, your go. No,
Dan, your go.
Go in a row.
I want fruit. Chuck this in her.
Yeah, she loves it. Yeah,
You ready?
yeah.
Keepers.
Come on.
Go in a row.
Get ready, you're too
Come on, Dan.
Get
I
up.
No, like, Dan, if you get this, we win.
This is why she's cast as the snub on.
Yeah.
I am, I know what your pissy
Watch
hands.
the wee dripping pan's actually quite cute. Cute wee stadium. Hello.
You're a twat. You might be a twat.
I was like, wow.
Yes.
You can see on her face she's just waiting.
I know, I literally looked up, I was like, I knew she was going to do something.
I have a real soft spot for pasta. I love pasta. I love rigatoni, so this is what I will be making tonight. I will let you see what it looks like. Look at this. This is probably one of the easiest things I've actually ever made, and I have a confession that probably the only other kind of beef mincy pasta I've had is spag bol. I didn't really know there was others out there, but this is one, and I'm buzzing to try it. So simple, and it smells good. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be banging. I've got a confession though that I forgot to boil the pasta, and I've had the pan on sitting there and it's not been boiling, but it's fine. We all make mistakes, but I'm sure this dinner is going to be worth the wait. If you are busy on the go, you struggle to make time for food, I cannot recommend HelloFresh enough because it's so simple, it's so straightforward. You can just go on the site, look at, click for how many people you want to cook for, there's so many, the menu's got so many options, so there's going to be stuff on there that you like, and like I've said, it's so straightforward, it's so simple to make, and the food is absolutely banging. Yes, troops, I will leave the link, I'll leave it pinned on the first comment box. You'll see it there, so click on that. If not, you can use my code to get €85 off your first 4 boxes. Get it done. The girls some treats here for lunch. Some teriyaki crickets, some lightly salted locust crickets and mealworms, and some hot and spicy sriracha crickets. Hopefully they're nice. This is the RueshTucker trial. This is teriyaki crickets. Is it actual crickets? I've not tasted them. They're not alive, right? They're very fucking cremated.
I don't believe doing the Christmas stuff in November. I was debating this weekend.
You're up.
Are you going to do one as well?
Yeah,
I'll do one if you do one.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
Nice.
They're alright. They kind of just taste like peanuts.
Give me one.
Give me one.
They're superfoods.
I mean, they're peanuts.
They are teriyaki flavour. That's actually quite nice. It's not nice. It tastes like charcoal.
Looking at them, that does.
They look grim.
Have one.
They're not bad actually.
Just like
That makes me feel a bit sick.
that's
Yeah.
like
I
charcoal
need
in
a
your
drink.
mouth. Go on, Fritzy, have a wee cricket.
It tastes like sawdust.
The aftertaste is not the one.
Go on, get this in your mouth. That is right. I want you to ask your
Did you have?
Not normal.
if burping at the table is play on.
They're not nice.
Because that is
They're actually not nice.
Give a few more. Now we've got lightly salty locust crickets and mealworms. The 6-legged superfood farmed in the UK for Mitchie.
What's this one called? That's like a Mothman.
Right, in your mouth.
No way.
Get it
It
down
still
you.
got wings on it.
Kate Schwartz are going to find this.
You did it. Well done.
Oh, she's got it.
Oh, what have you got? Very nice.
No,
That one's
Right, Neve, you're up.
No, I can't.
No, you have to. This is a RueshTucker trial. Come on.
I can't do that one.
Nah, do that one. Someone needs to do that
Give me
one.
a small one.
No, look, that one's still got wings as well.
No,
Oh.
I'll do a small one.
Try that one, Rush.
Am I
Right, get it in. Get it in.
No, I can't.
Try
I
that.
get sick.
Bruce, the aftertaste isn't enjoyable. Bruce, get Connie to try this big.
Oh, the crunch!
Nah, I feel sick.
I feel like its wings are still stuck in my teeth there. I'm going to try this wee mealworm though.
I tried that, but I didn't try
It's a salty one.
No.
Oh, it's aftermath.
If you burp again, do not fucking dare.
I'm on a fucking trial here. I'm not allowed to burp.
What are these things?
Oh.
These are like maggots.
Oh no. Are you not alright?
What the hell is this? Constance, you're up.
Yeah, try that, Connie.
What is it? Oh, it's arsehole.
Aye, that is arsehole.
And Olin.
Uh-huh.
No bite.
Right.
Oh my god, she did a big one.
Oh, that's not good. It's not good. The aftermath. Oh. Oh. Right.
I didn't even have any water.
Right, Fritzy, come and get a wee bug in you. How? Amazon. Straight out of Amazon. Hot and spicy sriracha crickets.
What's that?
You have no idea what's in it.
They're actually farmed in the UK. Bug Vita.
Bug Vita.
Bug Vita, if anyone's looking for a new sponsor. I'm trying to get you one.
You're not gonna eat that one.
Somebody else try the locust.
Yeah, somebody needs to try.
But I'd like to be given to you.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think it's for humans. They're for like birds or something.
No, that's good.
That's nice. Sriracha taste in that one.
T, you coming to try it?
Danny.
T! Come on! Come on! Just a wee bug. Just a wee worm.
T, come on, T.
That's a nice one. No.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Let me know when you
fuck.
Thank you, bye.
Worms.
Also, whose is this?
Delicious and nutritious. Verdict?
My favourite was the teriyaki crickets.
Teriyaki cricket.
My least favourite was a hot and spicy cricket. The locusts I probably wouldn't try again, but all in all, great bug vita.
Ready? Yeah. You see it all, Cass. You sound like the cat.
Is that so nice?
No, it doesn't feel nice.
Reva?
Yes, it is.
Right, Matthew. You gonna have them?
You have to try this one. Come on.
Stop it.
Come on.
Don't bounce, Brooks.
It's just like chocolate. Oh, you're such a good princess in your princess dress. Throw it, weasel. What's wrong? What? Is it not nice?
No.
It's not like chocolate?
It's me, Serena, ready to go to camp. No, it's actually me, it's Ruesha, but my contact lenses were absolutely stinging the face off me. I had to put these hideous things on. I hate glasses, man. It's awful. Anyway, got camp tomorrow, so just getting sorted, just packed and all that. I've got a little bit of admin to do. I just want to get into bed now and get to sleep, but time gets away from you. It's quite cute. Mr. Boggs. But yeah, going to camp. We've got Hungary in Northern Ireland, so it's going to be nice to be back in with the girls. Bit of change of scenery, and aye, we'll see how it goes, but I'm looking forward to it. So like, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll get some stuff from camp, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.